Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the open cooking mode on your ThermoMix TM7. Open cooking doesn't enable the knives. It cooks with the knives off, which means it doesn't spin, so you can have the lid off. That mode is available after clicking on the modes button on the left sidebar, then going to open cooking. Now you can have the lid removed, set the time up to 5 hours. I'll do 30 minutes. And you can set the temperature from 37 up to 100 degrees Celsius. I'll do 37 just to start it. You can see when I started it won't basically spin the knife, so the lid can be open. I'll stop it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.